Hi there, students. A facsimile, a noun, normally countable, but it could be uncountable as well for the way of doing something. Notice plural, facsimiles, easy, or facsimilia. Okay, an irregular plural there. Okay, a facsimile is a copy or a reproduction. Yeah, but it's normally made to be an exact reproduction, the exact form of the original. Yeah, so this isn't the original Magna Carta, it's a facsimile of the Magna Carta. This word facsimile actually gives us the word a fax machine or a fax. Well, faxes are probably a bit old-fashioned nowadays, but a fax, fax is short for facsimile, okay, and that's why it's called a fax machine. Okay, so let's see. A facsimile, normally it's a copy or a reproduction of an old book, an old map, a print, a manuscript. Yeah, something that has historical value. And the form is as close to the original as possible. Yeah, it normally has the same scale, the same color, the same condition, and it tries to copy as faithfully the original. And this is the idea of facsimile. With important documents and things like this, museums can let researchers look at or buy facsimiles of documents, and this is a way to preserve the original. Yeah, effectively, it's a good way of conservation because you can. It's a copy a copy that as faithful as possible to the original. Yeah, and well, a facsimile. Okay, so an exact copy, an exact reproduction, um, uh, but normally talking about documents. It doesn't have to be a document though. I guess this statue is a facsimile of the Venus de Milo, or a facsimile of the statue of David. Yeah, an exact copy of it. But notice a facsimile. We can use this in other ways. A copy. So maybe white goods that they sell in supermarkets are facsimiles of branded goods. They copy them as closely as possible. Yes, the Irish pub. Yeah, this is a facsimile of some imaginary Irish pub. Okay, so facsimile, a copy or an imitation of something. Yeah. Okay, this chair is a facsimile of an original Chippendale chair. Okay, so an exact copy, but particularly for printed matter, for things that you can see, but it could be for other things as well. Yeah, if you use somebody else's idea and make a facsimile of it, you might be accused of piracy. Yeah, okay. So yes, a facsimile of. They are identical twins. They are facsimiles of each other. Well, actually, if you look at identical twins, there is always slight little differences, and that's a fac. I guess they're close facsimiles. Close facsimile sounds a bit like an oxymoron. Okay, so a facsimile. If you enjoyed the video, well, no, I haven't done the formality yet. Formality. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, yeah? it sounds a little bit literary. I think in an informal conversation I would probably opt for the word a copy, yeah, because it's a copy or a reproduction. But I think you could use it in an informal conversation, maybe better in something semi-formal or a semi-formal writing, or something very formal as well. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from fac simile, fac from facere or facere, to make, and simile from similis, like or similar, so made in a similar way. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Facsimile.